I'm bored. Oh my god, I'm hungry. First, let me take a crap. What? A Nerf gun. Huh. It's not a Nerf gun. Yes, of course it's a Nerf gun. Let me just take this. Oh my god, I gotta open this. Oh my god, this Nerf gun's fully loaded. This Nerf gun, it's fully loaded. It's Nerf gun. Oh my god. Oh. There's no one in here to show it to. Oh. I'm gonna look up a game online. Like, I don't know. A game to play with this. Wait! I saw this user video before, and it said it was a game called Russian Roulette. Oh my god. Oh man, you're supposed to shoot yourself in the head. Wouldn't that kill you? A kill yourself game. Oh. What should I play with? Doggo! Doggo, what should I play? What should I play, Doggo? Oh, doggy, you must like squeaky toys. Oh, you must like squeaky toys. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? That dog got me good. I'm gonna go back to playing with my gun. It looks cool. Wait, our gun's supposed to be able to shoot. I'm gonna shoot it. Oh my god. Shoot! Oh, yeah, I gotta pull this thing back. Come on, we gotta do it. Oh my god, I'm shooting it finally. They didn't shoot far. This gun sucks. I'm gonna get those bullets.
Hey, I'm an M&M. Me too.
Oh, hey, M&Ms.
Oh, hey.
I gotta go get that bullet. One bullet and two bullets. I love Nerf guns. I love Nerf guns. I love Nerf guns. I love Nerf guns.
Okay, I brought the Plush series back.
Well, it isn't that bad. I'm a new character.
Adding a few more characters, and there's gonna be more, and all these and the series on my brother's channel will be back.